it's probably a good idea to test your heat sealer every once in a while. And we do on a fairly regular basis just to make sure that everything's still functioning. So this is just a piece of one of the bags and all the edges cut off, but the inside layer is still touching the other inside layer. And then put it in there, same way you normally would. Do the heat sealer, let it cool for a couple of seconds. Take it out, make sure that it's cool, or let it cool for a few seconds. And then check it. Make sure that it is indeed sealing. There should be no gaps. There shouldn't be any weird lines. It should be one line of that whole width that's sealed. And if it doesn't, then there's a problem. Okay, I'm going to take another piece of it and cut the seal edges off. Again, now I have two separate pieces, and I'm going to turn the machine down quite a bit and check it at a lower setting. Okay, normally on my machine, I'm running it at about a 7 for these heavier bags, 6.5, 7. And now I've turned it down to just 3, but I'm still going through the same process. And if you look at it, at first it looks like it's sealed, but it didn't. Okay, going to 5. Okay, again, looks good. It looks like it's sealed, but if I pull, it was only sealed at the two ends. 5.5 on this one. I'm going to move to a fresh spot, make sure that that's not causing an issue. Okay, again, it looks great. You can see the waffle print from the textures here. Looks fine. And at first it kind of looks okay, but you can see that groove, how it looks like it's dipped in there a little bit. And if I push my finger in there, it only sealed at the two edges. It did not seal all the way across. Now I'm going back up to all the way to 7, which is where I usually use ours. And then let that cool for a few seconds. And it looks virtually the same as the previous ones. When you do this, you can see that straight line. There doesn't seem to be a gap in the middle of there anymore. If I try to push my thumb through there, it's not lifting in the middle. If you really try to pull it, I don't know if I can do this. Okay, you can see the whole bag material is starting to stretch. It's starting to break apart here, but the seal is still complete. Anyway, once in a while, just check your sealer to make sure that it is actually still sealing and not just look like it's sealing.